try a female. And this is gonna be a little honest moment. I'm not really good at drawing females, but let's see what we can do. So with females, it's more softer and body parts are more, as in like the torso and stuff like that. It's more smaller. It could be large, depending on who you're drawing. Really, like it's not. None of these rules are set in stone. You get me? But for example, like certain things like that's biological. Obviously, like the hips. They have bigger hips than the male anatomy. You feel me? So we give him bigger hips. And obviously they have breast. That's larger than male breast. And men really just obviously got pecs in it and nipples. That's about it. But women, they need to breastfeed, so they have that. This is just anatomy, isn't it? So